Lori's life. So today I'll be making Easter baskets. I suspect this cup has a leak because I put it on the table and there was a puddle under it. We'll find out. Seems to be all right, but I dried it up. All right, so I have a girl, a boy, a man, and a woman. And for the girl and the boy, I have these, and I had some baskets laying around the house. So I used this one for dental products like extra toothbrushes and extra floss and mouthwash and whatever. And they do collect dust. So I took the stuff out and then I rinsed the basket because these baskets collect dust. These baskets collect dust and microbes. And, you know, pollen, mold, mildew, spores, whatever. So you have to clean them once in a while. So I rinsed them off. I rinsed this off. This one had some hair products in it. I just incorporated it into another basket. So I rinsed it off really good. So here goes. Okay, I got a lot of this leftover Easter grass from Dollar Tree from years ago. I think I bought 2 or 3 packages over the years. So what I'm going to do is put some yellow in there. Now I'm putting a heck of a lot. I'm going to fluff it up a little bit. Okay, we got yellow. How about some green? This one's for my son. Not going too crazy, but see, like that. That's enough. Alright, so that one's good. So the other boy one, we'll put some green. Maybe a little bit of yellow. I'm just putting a little pink because I get a lot of stuff for hers. So that should be enough. So let me clean up the excess. So that's good. Alright, so what do we got here? I'm going to see what fits. Actually, I'll put that one there. See? Alright. Oh, this stuff isn't going to fit. Maybe I take them out of the packages. I don't know. Yeah. This goes. They aren't gonna fit. How are it? out. I don't know if these will even go in here. It's cute. Way cute. Okay. Oh, these are adorable, the little gum eggs in the egg cartons. Look at each one. Gum eggs. I'm just gonna do this because there's no room, so we'll just do that. Alright, I thought I didn't even get too much, but I hope it all fits. Yep, plenty, plenty, plenty. I might need to get a couple more things for my son. Oh, I thought I got him more than I got for myself. Well, alright, there we go. Yeah, this Easter basket is for myself. Wow. I thought for sure that it wasn't even going to look like enough. Guess I was wrong. And for the candy, oh, $100. So, might have to redo them because there is definitely... Alright, so that's good. See, I still barely put any candy. So the toy in here needs batteries. Alright, wow. Can't even see me. I don't know, maybe I should have put the camera further back. But let's put jelly beans here. Jelly beans. Alright, everybody gets some of these. Well, actually, I'll just get him those. That's good. I'll give myself these. And then we'll share. Because yeah, jelly beans, Mike and Ike, this is good. We'll definitely share each other's candy. So that's it. I thought for sure I would not have enough. Thought I was being skimpy this year. But apparently no, I'm just fine. I'd love to grow my channel. Please like and subscribe, comment, improve my algorithms.